Hi guys, welcome to this video on how to clean your headlight lens. This basically works best on the plasticky type headlights, as the glass ones may require sanding and buffing to get them looking new again. But this is always a good first point of call to try. So get yourself some teacup, and then I'm going to apply that on with a bit of elbow grease. So you can see I've just put a nice thin layer of teacup all over the lens. Using a circular motion and then just going around the edges. Obviously if you do have an electric buffer, then that could make it less elbow grease and a bit more easier for yourself. So there you go, there's a finished result. That's just with one coat. If you've got some stubborn marks, then just give it another go. So if you like my video, then please subscribe. Thanks for watching.